Greetings, Dan Daniels here. This is my continuing survey of language tools, and you might have seen my last video, the German project or the German story project. Anyway, the French experiment is the same site, same content, and the same text. This is in French. Let me show you the German. That's the German one right there in FBReader. So let's go ahead and listen to it briefly.
Laissez-moi vous raconter l'histoire d'un poulet.
Ses amis l'appelaient Petit Poulet. Petit Poulet vit dans une petite maison de poulet normale dans une petite ville normale. Okay, so that's the French voice, very good French voice. And let's take a look at what that sounds like in FBReader. So I'm going to click read aloud. And oops, I need to actually load the text. Pick file. And there's the French. And laissez-moi vous raconter l'histoire d'un poulet. Ses amis l'appellent Petit Poulet. So there's the text. And let's go to read aloud. And we need to select the voice. In this case, we definitely want to choose French. Let's see if I press the F key, does it jump to French? It does not. So you have to scroll down and find it, French. And now let's take a listen.
Voici un échantillon de synthèse vocale en français.
Yeah, it's not bad. And now let's check our settings. That looks good. I like the sentence highlighting, that works very nice. Pause after second, after sentence. I'm going to give it, well, if I enter the number key, it doesn't change anything. So you have to scroll using your, let's try 3 milliseconds. Okay, and let's go ahead and read, see what happens now.
Laissez-moi vous raconter l'histoire d'un poulet. Ses amis l'appellent Petit Poulet. Petit Poulet vit dans une petite maison de poulet normale, dans une petite ville normale.
Okay, and again, here is the human voice.
Laissez-moi vous raconter l'histoire d'un poulet. Ses amis l'appellent Petit Poulet.
So I think that's pretty darn good. Now, again, this is FBReader. One of the things you can't do on the video, you can do in FBReader, is you can select to read just one word at a time, which can be very handy if you're just learning the language, starting to learn the language. So let's go back.
Laissez-moi.
Okay, laissez-moi
vous raconter
l'histoire d'un poulet. Ses amis. Now, in French, you know that it's ses amis because the S, if it has a vowel immediately following, these two words get smashed together, so it becomes ses amis.
L'appelle Petit Poulet. Petit Poulet vit dans une.
Again, here's the dans une. Now let's see if the text reader can pick up on the smashing of words after following the French rules, if there is a vowel or a consonant at the end of a word. So let's go back to the beginning. And we're listening for ses amis and dans une.
Laissez-moi vous raconter l'histoire d'un poulet. Ses amis l'appellent Petit Poulet. Petit Poulet vit dans une petite maison de poulet normale, dans une petite ville normale.
Okay, so again, the voice is pretty good because I heard it smashing those two words together.
Petit Poulet. Ses amis l'appellent Petit Poulet.
Ses amis.
Petit Poulet vit dans une petite.
So it looks like it works pretty well. Again, this is FBReader, and this UI for the text to read aloud is incredibly annoying, but it is what it is, and I hope they fix it. But in the meantime, let's take a look at the version here. Let's see, bookmarks, no. Library, no. Let's go over here. What's new? This is version 3.012. All right, thanks for watching, and take a look at the FrenchExperiment.com. It's very good. It's got quite a few stories in there. And I do hope this has been useful for you. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.